Not all foods do well in the fridge. In fact, cold storage can ruin the flavor, texture, and nutritional value of certain items. Here's a quick guide to foods best kept out of the fridge. 1. Tomatoes. Refrigeration makes tomatoes bland and mealy, disrupting their natural ripening process and reducing antioxidants. Keep them at room temperature, stem side down, to maintain flavor and freshness. 2. Onions. Fridge moisture makes onions mushy and promotes mold. Store them in a cool, dry place with ventilation to preserve texture and prevent sprouting. 3. Garlic. Cold temperatures cause garlic to sprout, become rubbery, and lose flavor. Keep it in a dry, well-ventilated area at room temperature for best results. 4. Potatoes. Refrigeration turns potato starch into sugar, altering taste and texture. It can also lead to acrylamide formation during cooking. Store in a cool, dark, dry place. 5. Avocados. The fridge slows down ripening and dulls flavor. Let avocados ripen at room temperature, and refrigerate only if ripe and unused, consuming within a few days. 6. Bananas. Cold interrupts ripening, causes the skin to brown, and impacts flavor. Store bananas at room temperature to preserve their natural sweetness. 7. Bread. Refrigerating bread speeds up stalling, making it dry and tough. For longer storage, freeze slices instead of refrigerating. 8. Honey. Cold temperatures crystallize honey, altering its texture. Keep honey in a cool, dry place to maintain its smooth consistency and natural preservative qualities. 9. Uncut melons. Refrigeration dulls the flavor and softens the texture of whole melons. Store them at room temperature to retain their sweetness and nutrients. Proper storage keeps food fresh, flavorful, and nutritious. Know your foods and store them right to enjoy them at their best.